Hi, my name is Dr. Ron Peak. I'm a chiropractor in Mount Laurel, New Jersey. One of the most common problems I deal with in my office is a problem that's called sciatica, or leg pain. It's extremely common in our population also. Now, by definition or description, sciatica means that there's a pain or a sensation in the back of the thigh, in the hamstring area. It can run down or extend as far down as into the calf, even down to the ankle. Also, we can have involvement in the buttocks, or the low back may or may not have some discomfort too. One of the reasons for this variation of discomfort is the sciatic nerve is one of the larger nerves in the body, and it covers an extensive area. The cause of sciatica is an inflammation or an irritation of some type of the sciatic nerve. The sciatic nerve forms in the lower part of your back. There are several branches that pass out from the spinal cord, and this, interestingly, is the only place in your body where the sciatic nerve has to pass through movable bone. Now let me repeat that because I think that's relevant. The only place in your body where the sciatic nerve must pass through movable bone is here in the lower part of your back. Now logically, if sciatica means the nerve became inflamed, what could cause an inflammation of the nerve but a misalignment or misplacement of one of the vertebrae that normally would protect it? These bones are designed to be movable, and through different activities, traumas, stresses, etc., you can have a shifting or a misalignment in some of the vertebrae in the lower back, and that can result in an irritation or inflammation of the sciatic nerve, hence the problem we just talked about. Logically, if the most common cause of sciatica would be a misalignment in the lower part of the spine, the only proper correction would be to realign the segments in the lower spine that are out of position. Now that's what chiropractors are trained to do. Chiropractic training allows us to locate and correct misalignments anywhere in the spine, obviously in the lower back of the sciatic nerve in this instance, but that's the specialty of chiropractic. Now what I tend to call new chiropractic is what's happening in the chiropractic profession now is it's growing and improving just as all professions are, and there are many chiropractic offices like ours that use new scientific instrumentation that allow them to make the spinal corrections without any physical manipulation necessary to an individual. So spinal corrections can be made very comfortably, very easily, very safely. And the biggest problem I encounter when I deal with patients with sciatica are the complications that occur if people ignore the problem or if they continually mask it with pain medications. If you don't take care of sciatica problems, basically there's a progressive type of difficulties which can occur in several types of tissue. For one thing, the muscles in the local area can form scar tissue because the muscles will become inflamed from the misaligned segments. Secondly, the sciatic nerve can be permanently damaged if the irritation is there for any period of time. Thirdly, the joints in the spine in the area will become inflamed and ultimately lead to arthritic developments. And lastly, the disc in the local area will degenerate more rapidly than normal, and you can have degenerative disc disorders as a result, again, of neglecting to take care of your sciatica problems. So if you're experiencing any type of sciatica, or if you know someone who's having leg pains and problems of that nature, give our office a call. You can reach us at 856-778-8653. Mention that you saw this video, and we'll schedule you for a no-charge, a complimentary sciatica screening examination. If we check your spine and we find that there's problems we feel that chiropractic can help, we'll tell you that. And by the same token, if we don't find there's anything that we feel chiropractic can help, we'll tell you that also. If you'd like to contact us also in another way, you can look us up on the internet. You can go to www.drpeakchiro. We have a discussion forum. You can enter a question about sciatica or any health problem you're having, and we'll get back to you as quickly as we can with that. There's no fee and no obligation for that. Well, I hope you've learned something from this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, found it informative. If you're experiencing any type of sciatica pain, I would certainly encourage you to look into it from a chiropractic standpoint, get a proper correction done. It's comfortable, it's safe, it's easy, and it's really inexpensive also. So either give us a call or look up a local chiropractor and look for our other videos on the internet. We hope to see you again soon in another video. Thank you.